In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in Prime from Binance. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, if you are on the Accounts Overview tab, you can click on Deposit Funds over here, or if you're not, just click on Funds here on the left and click on Deposit Funds here, which will take you to the exact same page. In here, you'll have to first put in your initial info, and this is your deposit wallet. So I'm going to select this wallet of mine over here, and then you have to select Binance Pay as the type of deposit over here, okay, because that way you'll be able to deposit from Binance. Click on Binance Pay as the currency. You want to select whatever you want. I'm going to do USDT and press continue. Here you will have to basically put in your transfer details. So first you will have to put in your deposit amount here. I'm going to do, let's do 100. As you can see here, it's going to give you the approximate credited amount as well. And then you have to press continue again. And this is now your confirmation over here where you can basically see, see it says deposit with, and then your deposit to, and then the amount and the amount to be credited. If everything is fine, press continue again. And what this will do here is it's going to direct you to a separate page where, as you can see, it's going to say that transaction was successfully created, and then a page should basically open up where you'll be able to do your deposit. If it doesn't open up, you can just click on this link over here, which will pop up on your screen here, and it's basically gonna give you the option to, as you can see here, access Binance Pay, where you can then go ahead and pay. So of course, for you, there's gonna be a different QR code, and via that, you'll be able to deposit from Binance, and whenever you do that, just click on I have completed payment, and after you do it, you'll basically successfully deposit your money, your funds from Binance onto your account over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.